Ana Brandt's signature style is high key. If you wish to learn more about high key, how Ana shoots any place, anytime she can shoot high key, she goes to workshops and shoots, she goes to people's homes and shoots high key. It's absolutely stunning for maternity because of the glow you get around the subject. Ana has more information about training in high key online at her babybellyschool.com course. Okay, so first of all, one of the things you may notice about high key is the haze. So we're going to play high key dehaze, and this will just take some of this haziness out of the image. These are sliders. If you watch the first video, you will know some actions are for sliding the opacity here, and others are for painting. This is a slider. So you can simply slide up until you are happy with the result. So let's see, before and after, you can instantly see your subject has popped. I'm going to crop this image in a little bit. Hit enter, flatten and save. And now we need to fix the background. Again, I'm going to use the select and fix action, which if you have watched the previous videos you will know about. I'm going to make a selection here using the marquee tool. Hold down Control or Command and hit F4. This is a shortcut in the maternity section, and again here, Command, Control or F4. If for some reason your shortcut isn't working, that's kind of a bonus extra, then you can simply come down here to the manual section, which is red and yellow, and play select and fix like this. See, there's a little bit there. Select and fix. But you also have Control and F4 set as the card. Okay, so this is looking beautiful so far. I think I may wish to brighten her face up a little bit, so I'm going to come down to the airbrush section. This has skin, tones, eyes, lips, hair, bump, sharpen, fabric, and then the shading. I'm going to come up with a gentle brighten. This is a brush, and I'm just going to lift the lighting on her face there. Can you see? And this is just lifted gently without going overboard. You can see we have a few little blemishes here, so I'm going to come up to the skin section and play Remove Blemishes. This action plays out rather quickly. I'm going to simply select a white brush and come here just to paint over any areas of blemishes. This will add a very slight smoothing, but not too much. When ladies are expecting, their skin is often oilier than normal. It may be drier than normal, so playing Remove Blemishes would just give her the skin tone that she should have. Okay, it's very mild. I'm going to hit flatten and save. Now let's smooth the hair out. I'm going to play Hair Condition, and again this will automatically select a white brush for you. I'm just going to run this through the hair, and this will give a lovely soft feel to the hair. Literally like she's run a leave-in conditioner through. You can change the opacity, you can paint on and off, it is entirely up to you. And flatten and save. You can see here her face is tanned, but because of the light her hand isn't, so to balance that out I'm going to come up here to the tone section, oh no, sorry, to the skin section and add tan. I'm very lightly going to just paint this onto her arm, just to give a little bit more of a tan feel. Again, you can change the opacity as needed. This image is perfect as it is. I'm going to come all the way down here to the finishing section now, and I'm going to add a tint to the image. I think I'm going to go for warm brown for this one. This adds a lovely tint all over to your image. And let's just crop in a little bit here. These are sliders, as you can see from the icon, so you can simply come up here and slide as you wish. I think about there looks good. I think I'm going to add a rocking contrast to this one too. Does what it says on the tin. It adds a rocking contrast to your image. I may just, to finish up, brighten her face just one more time. So I'm going to come here to the shade section, brighten, and just brighten up there. So let's see where we were and where we are now. Beautiful.